Hey guys, so basically what I'm going to show you now is a little something I'm going to start doing with the Chevy Trax, the 2021 Redline. And right now it's pretty much stock except for a couple things that I've done already. And I'll go over with them. They're very simple, and you could probably do some of this. It's actually pretty cheap. The K&N filter is about $65 more or less, and I'm looking for a cold air intake. It's very difficult because they don't make it for this car. So I'm gonna have to adapt something from something else to this. And that's what I'm trying to figure out, because there's really not much out there for the Chevy Traxxas. Even though they have the same engine and the performance can be up there, I'll just go as step by step. So enjoy. All right guys, so we have the 2020 Chevy Trax, and it is a Redline edition. What I'm gonna do with this car today is I'm gonna show you two things. Two quick mods that we did. One of them is going to be the air cleaner on it, and we actually I can't find a cold air unit, but I did find the K&N filter replacement for it, and I already have swapped that out, but I'll show you guys how it's done. It's fairly easy, and it does wake up the car big time. Okay, and I also today did a resonator delete on it, and again, another big yes, because it has, I mean, it's a totally different car. This thing really moves now. Okay, so I have a few other things that I'm gonna do with it, so I'm gonna get right to it so you guys can see. But right now I'm just gonna show you these two upgrades that I did. Okay, so this is the engine compartment, and yeah, I went goofy and put that sticker on there. I already put the K&N sticker on there, as you guys can see. And again, it's a 1.4 liter turbo, and this is what we're going to be working on, and it's real easy, very quick. I did again purchase a K&N filter, and that's what I put in here, and I took out the stock filter. So it's very easy. It's two screws. There's one right there, and the other one is right back there. Okay, so I'm gonna remove those two, and then it's just gonna pop open and come out this way. There's like a couple hooks, like actually three little hooks. This one is a slot, it goes in, and these two are like hooks that grab onto this cover. Okay, so it's nothing out of this world. All right, now let me take this thing off so I can show you guys. All right, so I loosened those screws, that one and the one back there. And this just pops right up. You're gonna pick it up and just flip it right over. Okay, it's not gonna harm this thing because that's kind of like a rubber. So again, this is the K&N filter. All right, and the factory filter looks almost the same, except of course the K&N is very different. You're gonna see the metal webbing it has, and the filtration. The filter itself is actually a different color. And to get this out, you just kind of pull the edge up here, and it pops right open. Okay, and this is the actual filter itself. That's the bottom side, and that's your filter compartment. So this just pops right in. It's being stubborn. Okay, so it pops right in, and then you're gonna put your cover back on. Okay, this cover here. All right, so the cover is back on and everything looks good. All right, so again, I have already tested this, and it's like night and day. You guys gotta try this, and it's very cheap. It's like, I think 65 bucks is what I paid for it, and a K&N filter. Again, I'm not sponsored by them in any way whatsoever, so this is just something that I did and I wanted to show you guys. And that's about it. The next video you're gonna see is going to be where they did the resonator delete, and this was like early this morning, so I got it back to the house and I wanted to show this video to you guys. And now I went and tested it, and I'm going to tell you, It is amazing. It's night and day, and this guy really boogies now. So more to come as I do these performance upgrades and mods. I'll do little videos on it. Again, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Again, if you're a subscriber, I really appreciate you having joined our video. But if you like what you see, and you may see different things, because I not only do this kind of stuff, but I also do some camping videos occasionally. It just kind of depends on how my wife, how she feels, and she's a cancer patient right now. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like what you saw.